Ghazalaw is a combination of Tauseef and myself and a handful of incredible musicians we've been fortunate enough to draw into our warm embrace. We have Dylan Fowler, Suntu Suso, Manjeet and Patrick Rhymes as well on his violin. The alchemy which happens on stage is something very particular and very valuable, I think, and it's something we all celebrate on stage and off.
There's some magic happening when we're doing these tracks. This magic I have never seen before. The whole idea is to take the audience on a journey. People get everything from peace to rocking the floor.
Ghazalaw is an amalgamation of two words. Ghazal, which is the Urdu form of love poetry which Tauseef sings, and alaw, which is the Welsh word for folk tune or melody. So put together, Ghazal and alaw become Ghazalaw.
Welsh folk and ghazal, they complement each other really well because there are a lot of scales and ragas in Indian classical music which are common in the Welsh folk music.
And our folk music seems to be infused with this longing, this hiraeth. And this theme is echoed very much in the ghazals which Tauseef sings, which is also about unrequited love and this unattainable passion. Also, of course, the Urdu language and the Welsh language share a common root in the form of Sanskrit. So that's another happy coincidence we discovered as we began to work together. We're just delighted to be constantly discovering new aspects and new dimensions of our sound.
Musicians, they just connect whenever they meet, wherever they meet. They don't come from any background. The background is music and it's one family. It just makes it very wide and open to the world. It's just one world, one love, one music. There's no barrier. Music has no barriers and it's just one family.